Hello guys, today I wanna show you one of the best apps that I think that will help you achieve great results. Me also help a lot, and it will do very well for you as well. If you want to learn, because in crypto it's a domain that you can learn every day, and it would be not enough. So this will help you stay updated to the prices, the moving especially. So this is crypto bubbles. This we'll talk about today. Please support me with one subscribe and one like if you like this type of content. Without further ado, let's go. So here are the settings, the language, your preference, currency as well, and top. You can filter them, all of them. You have up to top 1000, but the things it may be a downside for you or not, I don't know. It will show you every top. So basically, let's pick top 300. It will show you just the coins for 201 up to 300. So it can't show you all of them in the same on the same plane, because there are too many. So it's logical. Okay, let's go. I'm looking right now at 100. So this is the most important for me. So you can take a look here at our dominance if you want, or 24-hour volume, and as you can see, there are not much happening right now with Bitcoin. It has dropped just 0.1 in price. Ethereum the same. But if you want to see a week, you will understand a lot of things that happened. You will see the red bubbles, all the red bubbles. It dictates, it says that they are in the bear market. All of them are in the bear market, but some of them are performing good, like Kava here. It increased 24%. So we can see on the day it raised from $2.34 up to $2.63, and the volume in 24 hours it was 172 million. These are not exactly numbers, but they are 100% good informations for you that will help you achieve amazing results. So it would be a shame to not have this app here, because you will know at the end of the day, or maybe you just hit this plus and you will create yourself. Let's say on an hour what happened, and I like this on the performance bubble content, also performance. You can say let's say price, yes, and hit here, and you will have a new one, hour plus price, and you can see all the prices in the top 100. It's amazing, because you can see, as I said, on the red ones, you can see that that they are in the bear market right now, and you can, if you have money right now, to know better in what you should invest, because at the end of the day, what I'm saying, buy this, buy that, it's irrelevant. You have the money and you can decide what you do. So I just want to inform you better. This is my purpose here. So when I hit top 100 here, you will see all of them. Yes, of course. If you press here top 400 because you want to see it, you will have here. You can also, this is a huge tip that I'm giving to you. Maybe some of you know this. If you want to press on the price, it will show you the smallest price from top 400, and you can start buying it there are actually good opportunities here, actually quite good. So that's why I'm recommending this app. Let's say you want to invest in I don't know, Jasmine coin. I'm not promoting this. I keep heard about this coin, Jasmine coin. So as you can see, it had 22% raise a week. We will go here and you can see on a year that it's not good as you can see, but on the 24-hour volume it's quite good. So basically we have discovered here a gem. Yes, as you can see, the market cap, it has 56 million, but the people have invested 123 million in the last 24 hours volume. So for me it dictates that this is an awesome investment. So as you can see here, the price was 0.009, and as we move, the price will increase as well. But if you invest at 0.011, this price, by the way, it's on Binance as well. If you see here the Binance sign, it means that this Jasmine coin, it will be on Binance. So basically, let's go here, and you will have here. Let's say you want to pick a coin, SenseNet, this one. What an awkward name. So basically, you will not find it anywhere, just on CoinMarketCap. So that's why it's good, this app, because you will know it will save you tons of time. Yes, because you already know where to find it and where you can buy it. So this was for today, guys. For me, it's an interesting video. No one helped me find these things, so that's why I want to do this type of video to make your life easier and easier. And please support me as well with 1 subscribe and 1 like. Have a nice day.